Don't let go of me. It takes a lot to trust that someone else will catch